A for ant. B for banana. C for camel. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fox. G for goat. H for house. I for ink. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lion. M for mobile. N for notes. O for oil. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rat. S for soap. T for tree. ST.